Serrano. Welcome back to another video. And so today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Thinkplus LivePod GM2 Pro. Are you having trouble pairing up both of your headphones when they're connected to your device? First thing you want to do is actually unpair it. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So the first not mistake, but basically these headphones, the way that they operate is that they have to be in the case in order for you to connect them. So one of the things you have to do to connect these headphones to your smartphone is leave them in the case and just lift up the lid. It's basically that simple. And then you can keep them in the case while you connect them to your phone. So right here, you can see when I lift up the hood of the case, both lights are actually turning on, which means that they're both paired together. Now, one of the things people make mistake is that they unpair them together. And the way that they do that is, let's say I'm gonna unpair it from my phone right now, unpair. So that's the first step. You have to unpair it. And you can see that one light will be blinking and the other light will remain off. So this is what you want it to look like. So one of the things people will do is that the connection will get connected to only one headphone. So the way that you can reset it is by tapping the headphone 5 times. So I'm gonna actually unpair it right now by tapping it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you can see that they're unpaired because one light is blinking and one light is remaining on. So as long as it's in that setting, it's always gonna go to one earbud. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I lift up the case, hit scan, and after I hit scan, I can search for the headphones. I'm gonna pair them, and now it says that it's connected to my phone. So let's go ahead and listen to some music. It should only be playing one headphone right now. Yeah, it's only playing the left ear headphone right now. It's only the right one is not connected. So what you want to do when I'm only hearing music from the left one, this is one's in my ear right now and I'm not hearing any music, and the right one is not paired. I'm putting that in my ear, there's no music. So the first step that you want to do is actually unpair them from your device. So go to Bluetooth, go to right here, click details, go ahead, unpair it with the gear icon and unpair, and boom. Now it's basically gone. So now you can see that both lights are blinking. So what you want to do is double tap the headphone that wasn't paired 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now tap the other one 5 times until the lights stop blinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they're both paired together. It's that simple. So you have to tap the headphones 5 times, put them back in the case. After you put them back in the case, close it. Then you wait for the light to turn on, open it back up. Now go into scan, and then you're gonna search for your Thinkplus headphones. One light should be blinking. Go ahead, hit the pair icon, press pair on your headphones. Now both lights will turn off. That means they're both connected. Now go ahead, put them back in your ear and enjoy your music. So both headphones are now connected. So it's going to be paired from here on out. Just remember, if you're having issues pairing them, just hit the button 5 times on the side of the headphones until the lights are actually in sync. So that's pretty much the tip I have for you for today. If you have any questions, leave it down below. But this is the Thinkplus LivePods GM2 Pro. And let me know what you guys think down below about this quick tip. Hopefully it was helpful to you. But that's pretty much how you would quickly pair these together so you can use them at the same time. I'll check you guys later. I'll get right back with you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you type down below, I'm still here. So I know you're still kicking it with me, and so we can get this video out to more people and help boost the engagement. I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace.